If your boss asks you to do this presentation and you're doing this manually, then don't do this. Instead, do this. Highlight the column where the countries are, copy them, then paste them in a different sheet. Then go to Data, remove duplicates, and click OK, then OK. Then go to the cell where you want to put your data. To go to Data, Data Validation, create a list, and go and choose the list of those countries. Click Enter, then boom, your countries, you just made a list. Now you highlight the whole data set, go to conditional formatting, use formula, then enter this formula. Then format with the color of your choosing, click OK, then OK, and there you go. If you change any of these countries, it will be automatically highlighted as soon as you press enter.